is x that is greater than 3. So we know if we have x is compared with some number, even if it's equal to. So if the equation has the form x equals some number, just the number, then we have a vertical line at the number, and also, well, I'll finish this off. So it's going to be a horizontal line at the number on the x-axis. So again, we know it's on the x-axis because it says x is comparing some number. So I go to my x-axis, I find 3 right here, and I know I'm going to have a vertical line at that 3 right there. So is it going to be solid line or dashed? It's dashed because it's just, yeah, it's just greater than. So here's my dashed line. It's not so great, but it's not my worst effort. Maybe that's dotted. It doesn't matter. And again, the dashed or dotted line, dotted for me, tells us that all the values, all the ordered pairs on that line would make this inequality an equal statement, but the equal part is false, so it's a dashed line. Next, I will do the same thing as we did on the last one. I will test. I like to test the origin. But if you wanted to test like -10, 10 right there, you could. I'm not going to do it. So test the origin always if you can. Again, it just has to not be on the line. But again, on the equation, which is x is greater than 3, there's no y value to replace. There's only an x value to replace. And I've chosen an x value that's 0. 0 is greater than 3. That's false. Now, since it's false and it's on the, I'm going to say it's the left side of the line that I've drawn, that means I now need to shade the other side of that line. So I just fill it in. I mean, it looks better when you guys do it on the assignment because it's technology and it looks pretty. So here's the thing on the assignment as well. So before you graph the line, you have to choose if it's dashed or if it's solid. After that, you just choose 2 points. So like you could chose 3, 0, and then any other point on this line. And then it would have graphed the dashed line. But in addition to that, then you just choose any point over here. It doesn't matter which point. Now that we know that you need to shade the right side, just click anywhere on this side of the line and it will shade that side of the line for you.